Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to construct a z-interval for a population mean. This statistical method is used specifically when we know the standard deviation of the entire population. First, let's understand the goal. A confidence interval is a range of values that we calculate from sample data. We use this range to estimate the true population mean, which is usually unknown. Instead of just guessing a single number, we provide a range, like a lower and upper bound, where we are confident the true answer lies. Before using this specific formula, 3 conditions must be met. First, and most importantly, the population standard deviation, sigma, must be known. Second, our data must come from a simple random sample. Third, the population should be normally distributed, or our sample size should be 30 or larger to satisfy the central limit theorem. Here is the formula we use. It reads as x bar plus or minus z star times sigma divided by the square root of n. This formula combines the sample mean, a critical value based on confidence, and the standard error. Let's break it down. The term x bar is our point estimate. It is the average value we calculated from our specific sample. We build our interval around this number, adding and subtracting from it. Next is z star, the critical value. This number comes from the standard normal distribution and is determined by how confident we want to be. For 90% confidence, we use 1.645. For 95%, we use 1.96. And for 99%, we use 2.576. The fraction part of the formula is called the standard error. It is calculated by taking the known population standard deviation, sigma, and dividing it by the square root of the sample size, and this measures how much sample means typically vary from the true mean. When we multiply the critical value by the standard error, we get the margin of error. Denoted by capital E, this represents the maximum expected distance between our sample estimate and the true population parameter. Here is a visualization of the normal distribution. The blue area represents our confidence level, such as 95%. The tails on either side represent the remaining error probability. Our interval stretches from the mean minus the margin of error to the mean plus the margin of error. Let's look at a practical example. A factory produces light bulbs. We know the population's standard deviation is 50 hours. We test a sample of 100 bulbs and find an average lifespan of 1,200 hours. We want to construct a 95% confidence interval. First, for 95% confidence, our z-star is 1.96. Second, we calculate the standard error. 50 divided by the square root of 100 is 5. Third, we multiply 1.96 by 5 to get a margin of error of 9.8. Finally, we add and subtract 9.8 from our mean of 1,200. This gives us an interval of 1,190.2 to 1,209.8. To conclude, we interpret our results. We state that we are 95% confident that the true population mean lifespan of all light bulbs produced by the factory is between 1,190.2 and 1,209.8 hours.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.